हाय गाइस, वेलकम यू ऑल टू द चैनल एंड थैंक्स लॉट फॉर जॉइनिंग। तो आज 11th ऑफ नवंबर है एंड वी नो दिस इज नेशनल एजुकेशन डे. So related to that we will discuss at the end of the video. But now the main theme for the day is first woman in different field in India. So इस टॉपिक को right now हम डिस्कस करेंगे एंड उसके बाद जाएंगे आज के दिन के टॉपिक में. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So the first question is first Indian woman doctor. A. Annie Besant. B. Anandibai Gopalachari Joshi. C. Arundhati Roy. And D. None of them. So the right answer for this question will be option number B. Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. Now let's move to the next question. First woman president of independent India. Options are A. Pratibha Patil, B. Kiran Bedi, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. So the right answer for this question is option number A. Pratibha Patil. So now move on to the next question, that is question number 3. First Indian woman to get Bharat Ratna is A. Mother Teresa, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Kiran Bedi, and D. Shushmita Sen. So what is the answer? The correct answer is option number B, Indira Gandhi. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 4. First Indian woman to be honored with Oscar award is A. Bhanu Atia, B. Aarti Shah, C. Annie Besant, and D. None of them. The correct answer for this question is A. Bhanu Atia. And option C, that is Annie Besant. C is the first woman president of Indian National Congress. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 5. First Indian woman to become Miss Universe is A. Aishwarya Ray, B. Susmita Sen, C. Nirja Bhanot, D. Madhuri Dixit. So the correct option for this is B. Susmita Sen. And Anija Bhanot is the first woman who got Ashok Chakra, as she have saved many children in the hijacked flight. Now moving on to the sixth question. First Indian woman to get gold in Asian Games is A. Karman Malleshwari, B. Kamaljit Sandhu, C. Aarti Shah, and D. Sania Mirza. So the correct answer for this is B. Kamaljit Sandhu. And Aarti Shah was the first Indian woman to cross the English Channel. Now let's move on to the seventh question. First female judge of Supreme Court is A. Fatima Bibi, B. Ashapurna Devi, C. Annie Chande, D. None of them. So the correct option would be A. Fatima Bibi. Then the eighth question. First Indian woman to get Booker Prize is A. Arundhati Roy, B. Annie Besant, C. Kandamini Ganguly, D. Both B and C. The correct option for this is A. Arundhati Roy. And as I have said earlier, Annie Besant is the first president of INC, first female president of INC, and Kadambini Ganguly is the first female doctor of West Bengal. Sometimes it is considered for Bangladesh as well. Now, moving on to the next question, that is question number 9. Who is the first woman fighter pilot to fly a Rafale in India? As we all know, Rafale is bought from Russia to India. So, who is the first woman fighter to fly this? A. Shivangi Joshi, B. Avni Chaturvedi, C. Bhavna Kant, D. None of them. So, the right answer for this is Shivangi Singh. So, Shivangi Singh is the first woman fighter pilot to fly Rafale. Then, next, go to our 10th question. First Indian woman to win WTA title is A. Sania Mirza, B. Betty Wilson, C. Nirja Bhanot, and D. Gulan Goswami. So, the right answer, as WTA is related to sports, so the right answer would be Sania Mirza. So the answer for question number 10th is Sania Mirza. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 11. India's first women cricket player. हम सब क्रिकेट को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है, बट सीरियसली वुमेन क्रिकेट इज रियली नॉट अप टू दैट मार्क, सो वी शुड बूस्ट दिस आउट एज वेल, राइट? सो द क्वेश्चन इज, इंडियाज फर्स्ट वुमेन क्रिकेटर इज ए झुलन गोस्वामी, बी मिताली राज, C. B. Wilson, and D. None of them. So the correct answer is Mithali Raj, option number B. Now moving on to the 12th question. First woman to get Arjuna Award is A. Geeta Phogat, B. Aarti Shah, C. Steffi D'Souza, and D. M.S. Shubhalakshmi. Well, the last option D could not be the answer as she is a musician. She was the first Indian musician to get Bharat Ratna. Then option number C is the correct option as Steffi D'Souza was the first woman to get Arjuna Award. And Aarti Shah is related to English Channel, and Geeta Phogat was the first female to get gold in Commonwealth Game in wrestling category. Now comes the twist of the day, that is 11th of November 2020. This is celebrated as National Education Day on the birth anniversary of Abdul Kalam Azad. And the themes are important as well. So, the theme for 2020 for National Education Day is Skill Awareness and Empowerment. Kindly memorize it as it is important and as per exam point of view. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you and Jai Hind.